Dragon Ball Super FB10 Cross Force by the single box random number 21. We have our Saiyans and we have the die asking for 10 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and there is 10 times 10 pips. Here's our order. And I'll send you to the table so we can get this printed. On a BO, wait, which one's worth 10,000 US dollars? I think you might have gotten a spell check there. Sheet is printing. Okay, number 21. We got some Dragon Ball. It's over 9,000. Oh yeah, absolutely. Especially the main room, the basketball room, Core. I don't even want to imagine what the basketball room would look like if you were allowed to do that. Holy. Holy. Here we go. We have number 7 and right away. Right away. That is ridiculous. That's one of the top chases in this set. Out of the first pack. Son Gohan. For the number 2, music is building up one hell of a collection of Dragon Ball. Gosh, like I said, look at that foiling. That's all raised gold foil. Anywhere you see that gold detailing, even like on the shirt and on the belt, it is all raised gold foiling. I gotta send a picture of this to one of my buddies, actually. Oh, there's no way for us to be able to send photos on YouTube. The YouTube chat does not allow photos. That's insane. That's insane. Please let us donate. I can't do that on this channel yet. This channel's too new. Eventually, we'll probably have memberships and everything enabled on this channel, but as it stands right now, this channel's too new. We gotta grow quite a bit before I can do all that. I got Cell on number 2, and there's Bojack on the SR number 2. Gosh, music really killing it with the Dragon Ball. Also, why does Shin have no neck? I got my Future with a shotgun on number 3, Goku on number 5. It's 4:30 music time. Give him the nice notification that he'll appreciate. He'll be very happy to see you got another banger of a card, man. Vegito on the leader number 5. I got Thanks Dragon Ball on the 3 and 0 on the Piccolo. Wow, another banger back here. We got number 1 and all leader out of the same, but what the hell? This room tonight, man. We're hitting crazy, crazy cards tonight. There are 2 more cards I gotta do the Beat the Swords on. What the heck? I'm gonna get in trouble, is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna get in trouble for all the Beat the Swords we have here. What the heck? Cell on the alternate art, leader number 7. Music. That is a crazy back-to-back on those 2 hits. What in the world? Are you going to London Card Fest on the 13th of September? I'll actually be out of town that weekend, and also, I've never been to the UK. I have never been to the UK. There, number 2. And Hercule on the number 1 on the SR. London Card Fest does sound like a lot of fun. There we got number 7 and Android 17 on number 1 on the rare. Yeah, that weekend, I think Dillman is trying to take me to BlizzCon. I'm still not 100 emoji on it, but I think he's expecting me to be there. There we got number 2 and number 1 on the rare. This is the same size as Hawaii. Wait, this is the same size as Hawaii popcorn? Huh? Popcorn? There we got number 9 on the leader. Low shield on the 5 and 5 on the Trunks Future. There's Android 18 on the 4, 4 on the Everyone on Earth. I got Cells Kamehameha on the 8, and there's Son Goku, number 2 on the SR. Number 2. Oh, the Hawaii Pop Con, I see. I see. This SR is number 2 for music. Sounds like it'll be fun. Yeah, I just feel like I'm gonna be a LARPer. I haven't touched a Blizzard game in years. There we got Goku on the 7 and Piccolo on the number 7. Yeah, the phones have a special funny way of doing the autocorrect, man. Alright, I got Son Goku on number 5, Low Shield on number 5. So at least you played them? Yeah, I mean, I'm sure it'll be fun. I'm just a little intimidated by the whole thing. There we got Omega Shenron on number 9. And there we got Sun Gohan Future on the SR. It is funny because, like, especially like 2016, 2017, I was like always telling myself, like, one day I'll go to BlizzCon. I was not thinking this was going to be the means of doing so. Number 9. That one was for music. We got number 1, and what a... Is this really the box? What the heck? This box is insane. And we got 0 going out to music. There really is something in the air tonight with the packs we've been opening. There really is something in the air tonight. Is this what I'm thinking of with that Piccolo? That's one everyone jokes about, that Doug's a heavy buyer on? Yeah, no. Holy crap. All front page hits that we got here. There we got number 7. Hotora on the number 7. UK is really coming in on sunny days, but when it rains, it sucks. Yeah, I mean, we're in Vegas, and it's like, right now it's the middle of the night, and it is... I can't tell. Hang on. Number 7 and then number 5. Yeah, it's 90 degrees outside at 4 in the morning. During the day, it's like 115. You get real hot out here. There we got number 1 on the leader. Number 7 on the rare, and final Kamehameha on the number 5. How much in Celsius? Oh, shoot. Hey, Siri. How much is 115 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius?
115 degrees Fahrenheit is 46.11 degrees Celsius.
There you go. There you go, number 4. and number 24 on the SR right here. That is going out to music. Yeah, so it's like 46 degrees Celsius in Vegas. It gets hot, man. It gets hot. There we got Son Gohan on number 8. And thanks, Dragon Ball, on the number 3. There's Vegeta on the 0. And number 2 on the Son Goku. Bojack on the leader on the number 3. And we got Shenron on number 9 and number 0 on the Vegito. There's Nail. Vegeta on the number 7 on the rare. Final Kamehameha on the number 5. Last pack. See if we got a little bit of LPM. How bad's the humidity there? Most days, 0. Most days the humidity is legit 0. Like, not even exaggerating. It is legit 0. I got number 6 on the Krillin. And Sun Gohan Child on number 5 on the rare. Whoa! We got an extra rare on this one. SR number 102. Number 2 for music on that last pack magic. Give us an extra little something something. That is, again, number 2. Here's our recap for the Dragon Ball. We've got 2, 4, 9, 2, 1, and 2. We got the Piccolo on the altar. Number 6. Or, sorry, 0. I can't read, apparently. Music. We have the Cell Alt Leader on the number 7. And Son Gohan Childhood on the number 2. 7 and 2. Both going to music. Grats on those two. We're going to beat the sorts on them both. That is... my God. That was Dragon Ball Super FB10 by the Crest Force by the Single Box Random number 21. Thank you all very, very much.